Start the car. OBD read, and allow the unit to run its test. There are no codes found, and we are completed. We get a check, and it tells us we have everything all checked off correctly, and we're good to go. We get a cable, a quick guide, and the unit. They give you about 2 feet of cable and the module plug. This unit's got a nice large screen and colored, and it's very easy to use. Simply just follow the screen. You have the back, the enter, the up and down, and the IM button. Hitting the down goes to the next windows. Hitting the up goes to the previous windows. Hitting the enter will get you into the okay of things to choose. So what we're going to do is plug this in while the car's on and just show you what the unit looks like and demonstrate it. This is the OBD2 port. Plug in. The screen lights up in a nice low color. As you can see, all the information. And what we're going to go do is go into the settings by going down, enter, and we're going to run a test. This is known as a 2 self chest, so you can see what the unit can do. A display test of the window. It's going through all the colors. And you do the keyboard, you'll be pressing all the buttons as well. Escape, get you out of it, is just recycle. So let's back out. Let's hit the down button, and we're going to do a OBD information. We have the I and M button we're going to hit, and it's going to run a test with the green line and show you what is in the car with the number of beeps. And there we are. And this screen is telling me my information, what's ready and not. A nice close-up look. So I'm going to back out, and I'm going to do a OBD, ME OBD, and hit enter. It's scanning, CAN SD, D fast, please wait, MI status, codes fault, ignition type, monitor not supported, and so forth. And then it goes to, do I want to erase? So let me just say no and show you what that looks like close up and do it over again so you get an idea what it's about. A close-up shot, hitting enter. All the information, and then erase. It brings us to this screen that we could choose what we want and go through. So I'm going to read the codes by hitting enter, stored codes, and it says no codes found, so we're good. We're going to see what permanent codes are in the unit. It's not supported. There are no permanent codes. So you have live data, view, freeze frame, IM readiness, onboard monitor test, and so forth. This is what you can do and go through your machine and all the controls like shown. So if you're looking for an OBD reader for your car, an older style car, to a newer style car that we could read codes off of if there are any issues of the car. The OBD reader allows you to read your information, get your car ready for inspection, and clear codes and fix the problems you have. If you're looking for a FOXWELL NT2, this may be something that you are after.